Hey there, future students! Welcome to Bar-Ilan University. I'm Tzvi, your trusty academic guide, and I'm here to lead you through the world of Bar-Ilan. Get ready for an unforgettable ride. But before we embark on this adventure, let's talk about your academic TARDIS, the magical My BIU Student Portal. My BIU brings together all the university's systems under one roof. My BIU is more than just a portal. It's practically your compass in the academic universe. You can review our messages. See? Happy New Year! You can track the status of your administrative requests. You can look for any form you may need throughout your studies and get into all systems, including your very own Microsoft 365 University account. Not sure what your username is? It's fine. Click here for a comprehensive step-by-step guide. First up, we've got Inbar, the main student administrative system. It's your virtual academic haven where you'll discover your schedule, either as a list or as a table, your exam list and your grades, and a treasure trove of other information. Inbar allows you, for example, to issue documents right here. For example, the approval of academic studies, either in Hebrew or in English. Keep an eye on your financial balance. Settle your tuition fees. We'll delve into it later. Submit different requests. And during the designated time slots, enroll in your chosen courses here. By now, I assume you've already done that, but bear in mind, at the beginning of each semester, you will have a changing period for their respective courses. Keep an eye on the Inbar homepage and your university email for notifications regarding the exact dates of the changing period. Your academic department or the international school, us, will be your guiding stars through these specifics. Here, you can find a helpful tutorial we've made. Then we have Lamda, your trusty study sidekick, also known as Moodle. Lamda's got your back when it comes to course materials, videos, and assignments. It is your virtual school bag for all things course-related. Your assignments and papers will also be submitted through Lamda, while each professor may order the units and components of each course according to its specifics. And now, allow me to digress for a second and introduce you to your new best friend, the Bar-Ilan Mobile App. Not only does it host your grade list and schedule, but it also replaces your good old student card and serves as your ID. Your schedule, grades, and even a live shuttle map throughout the campus, all in the palm of your hands. Can your old ID do that? I think not. And here you can find a dedicated guide we've made. Public transportation might seem like a riddle, but it's actually rather simple. Either by light rail, train, or the good old bus, getting around the campus can actually be fun. Just choose your app or simply use the RAVCAF card. To receive a discount on all public transportation, yes, you can do that because you're a student, simply upload your approval of academic studies, remember, to the transportation app of your choice. You can find more information here or here. And here's the pro tip. Most public places go into siesta mode from midday Friday to Saturday evening, Shabbat time. So plan accordingly and check out websites or social media for hours, or use the link below for the weekend transportation service. It's also free of charge. Turning our attention back to Inbar, Here is where you can manage any tuition-related concerns. And here's how it works. Your tuition is split into 6 annual installments, with the journey beginning upon the initial down payment. You have the convenience of making payments through various methods, such as credit cards, direct debit, or even utilizing your Army's Picadon. It's important to keep in mind that delayed payments may lead to a temporary lockdown of the university's systems. What else? Exam retake policy. For most exams, you'll have 2 chances, Moed A and Moed B. If your score falls below 70 in Moed A, you'll automatically be registered for the retest. You obviously don't have to take it again, as in most cases, 60 is the passing grade. If you score 71 or higher in Moed A, and for some reason you still want to improve your grade, remember to sign up for the retest, as in Moed Bet, no later than 1 week before the exam date. And then we have exams on campus versus exams via Tomax, online. In both settings, ensure that smartphones, headphones, and smartwatches are stowed away during exams. Your intelligence and knowledge are your most valuable tools. Upholding the code of conduct is vital. It ensures fairness and integrity. Be honest and follow the rules diligently on campus or at home. If you encounter any issues during exams, whether it's on campus or online using Tomax, don't hesitate to reach out to the proctor or help desk. They are here to support you and resolve any challenges you may face. If you have overlapping exams on campus, and only those on campus, we've got you covered. To ensure a smooth experience, please register for the designated overlapping classroom via Inbar. Be sure to complete this registration no later than 7 days before the exam date. And then we have your well-being, because it matters. Every international student is required to have valid health insurance throughout their stay in Israel. It's not just a formality, it's a vital aspect of your well-being during your time here. Please note that the continuation of your student visa is dependent upon maintaining valid health insurance. We won't be able to renew your student visa without proof of insurance coverage. Now, to make sure you have a smooth experience, we've compiled a list of email contacts for various topics and needs. This way, you'll always know who to reach out to for assistance or questions. Okay, you exceptional pioneers, you're now equipped to conquer the academic cosmos. Remember, we are here to champion your journey. Further information can be found on our essential information page here, and our comprehensive student guide there. There. And hey, whenever you're up for it, pay us a visit. We'd love to see your smiling faces. Welcome to Bar-Ilan University. Now, go ahead and impact tomorrow, starting today.